Welcome to Great Life Zone channel. Money is energy. Law of attraction is all about attracting what you focus on or concentrate upon. The specific process of attracting money and getting it in physical form is manifestation of money. In this video, I would like to share my top 10 secrets to manifest money fast. If I have benefited from them time and again, there is every reason that you too can derive immense benefit from these secrets. Before proceeding ahead, let us first try to quickly understand that why law of attraction fails to manifest for some people. Whenever the vibrations of a person are not right, he does not get the desired results. This means if the person is feeling desperate to manifest money, or at that point of time his energies are low, such as feeling negative, the law of attraction works in the other direction. Instead of manifesting money, the law of attraction blocks or restricts the flow of money. And now let us look at the secrets. It is a mental exercise involving some inner work. Therefore, take some time to be with yourself for a few minutes. Put away your communication devices such as mobile phone, laptop, computer, etc. Make sure that no one disturbs you during this time. It would be better to be at a quiet place. Now be clear about the exact amount of money you want to manifest in your life. If you are not specific, you will be manifesting by default, and the final outcome may not be to your liking. It is like going to a restaurant and not telling exactly what you want to eat. Better the clarity, more effective and faster would be the working of law of attraction. Being specific about the amount of money, the law of attraction will help you to manifest money faster. Once you have got the clarity about the amount of money you want to manifest, let it be imprinted on your subconscious mind. There is no going back on this now. Otherwise, you will confuse yourself and confuse the cosmic kitchen, universe also. This can be done through repeating to yourself certain positive phrases in the present tense that you are receiving or manifesting money. These positive statements are called affirmations. The examples of affirmations are: I am a money magnet. Money flows freely to me. For more money affirmations, you may see our videos, and the links are given in the description box below. You will also find a link to the affirmations in the I button above. In the realm of manifestation and law of attraction, feelings or the right emotions are very important. Some law of attraction experts refer to emotions as energy in motion. So if your feelings are positive, cheerful and full of faith, you will make law of attraction manifest money faster for you. The right vibrations come from a positive state of mind. Therefore, any practitioner or student of law of attraction and manifestation should: number 1, regularly practice meditation. Number 2, do visualization. Number 3, do affirmations. Number 4, think positively. Faith moves mountains is an old adage. Even machinery needs servicing at regular intervals. We are humans who tend to get influenced by so many negative things around us. Therefore, it is quite possible and normal to see an individual's faith shaking up, especially when he is desperate or is in bad mood. At such times, some of the things which can help reverse the negative thoughts and stop the doubts could be: read quotations such as never give up quotes, motivational quotes. These can be found in books, websites and social media like Instagram, Pinterest, etc. Watch motivational videos. Join online, offline forums, Facebook groups. This would help reinforce the faith of an individual in the working of law of attraction and process of money manifestation. It is normally seen that an average person is happy when he receives money, be it the paycheck or the payment for goods and services sold or the lottery money. The smile on the face of a person is natural and worth watching. However, people frown at the sight of bills. It could be the electricity bill or car service invoice or insurance or the credit card bill. Let me again draw your attention to the fact that money is a form of energy and you cannot not spend money. If you hoard the money too much and try not to spend, it will stagnate. Also, this will stop the flow of more money. Therefore, whenever you receive a bill, you should feel happy that a big organization like electricity company or gas company or telephone company respects you and it has trust in your ability to pay. They consider you creditworthy. That is why you have been given a credit for 30 to 45 days. Secondly, payment of bills will give you an opportunity to circulate the money. Are these not reasons enough to convince you to feel happy when you receive the bill next time? Next time, when you receive the bill, pay it happily. This is just an extension of the previous point. Just make sure whatever is the amount of money you have, you treat it with respect and love it. If you have surplus money, think of investing it wisely so that your money earns money. Welcome and respect the money when you receive it. Love the money you have, whether in the form of cash or balance in bank or in the form of assets such as house, gold, land, etc. Similarly, when you are making the payment, bless the money with a thought that many times more amount is going to be received by you. Another important step to manifest money fast is to communicate with the source of abundance itself. We are all unique creations of the Creator or God or universe. In the same way, a drop of water is an individualization of the ocean. We are an extension of God. This universe, which is the creation of God, has everything in abundance. See how vast is the expanse of the universe. To pray is to be in communion with God. You are unique and your circumstances, assets and resources are also unique. There is a divine purpose the Creator has made you that way. Therefore, accept it and respect it. Accept and respect your uniqueness, which also includes your education, health, state you are born in, your talents and whatever money and physical assets you have. Once you begin to do so, others will also begin to respect you and value you as a person. Once you are at a better position, wouldn't you be in a position to leverage that to manifest more money or manifest money faster? Once you start respecting your true value and potential, you will soon be happier than you ever imagined. Some of you may wonder what is the connection between gratitude and money manifestation. When you focus on the feeling of gratitude, you send a strong signal of abundance to the universe, and the law of attraction positively responds by sending you more abundance. No matter what stage you are at, beginner, practitioner or advanced level law of attraction and manifestation expert, you will multiply your benefits by practicing gratitude affirmations. If you prefer a video, here is a link in the iCard above as well as in the description box below. I hope you will find this video useful. You may like to read the detailed article with more suggestions on this subject. We have given the link in the description box below. Please do share and like this video. I would also urge you to visit our website and also do get connected with our social media accounts. The links to our social media pages are on your screen now. We keep putting up useful videos, articles on our website and also Facebook page. We would love to see and respond to your comments, suggestions and experiences. For more videos in future, please subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video.